Students learn best when they are actively engaged in hands-on learning experiences. In play, children explore their environment and things around them. Children are naturally curious, and they are wired to do things that will help them learn. They learn by exploring ideas and language, manipulating objects, acting out roles, or experimenting with materials in their play. Adult interactions extend the learning and push the learning that happens during play to its fullest. By talking about what they are doing and asking children questions about their play, you help them to build their understanding and communication skills. The focus of students' learning should be on the process, the students' willingness to keep trying, experimenting to gain understanding, and encouraging curiosity instead of the final product or the answer. Learning is more meaningful, and children will remember things better if it is based on their interests or something they did and experienced rather than something they watched or were told. Kindergarten activities are important to teach not just the building blocks of literacy and math, which students will continue to use in older grades, but they also teach social skills, self-regulation, communication, and help children to develop motivation to learn, which they will use for the rest of their lives.